my name is Harvey and I'm the owner of Lily's in the UK. As well as being a busy salon owner, I'm part of the KMS Artist Network as a freelance educator in the UK, and I'm here today to tell you about my hero product, KMS HAIRPLAY Styling Gel. I love styling gel to use in the salon on many clients. It's so versatile and I think it's very often overlooked. It's really good for a wet look, to apply on dry hair and allow to air dry in. We use it a lot on our shoots, but it's also really good to use on wet hair and blow dried in to give that really firm hold with your blow dries, to get that beachy wave that you want for durability on fine hair that curls or waves always tend to drop. By using this onto wet hair after your start products and blow drying it in, you get a really firm finish but without flaking throughout the day. This is my KMS Style Hero.